Gold prices rallied to their highest level in over 4 months on Tuesday, building on the previous session's sharp jump as bets for a quicker U.S. Fed interest rate cut and a weaker dollar fueled the rise. Spot gold was up 0.6% at $1,328 an ounce, having earlier touched $1,337.20, the highest since late January. Gold prices jumped nearly 2% on Monday, the largest daily gain in more than a month, after data showed a slowdown in U.S. job growth in May, which bolstered the case for the Fed to start cutting rates sooner rather than later. The gold market is moving on the back of a weaker dollar and increasing geopolitical risks, said David Mager, director of metals trading at High Ridge Futures. There are some bargain hunters in the market as well, he added. The gold market has been supported by the prospect of the Fed cutting rates in the second half of this year as inflation has been cooling. According to the CME Group's FedWatch tool, the market is pricing in a 9% probability of a 25 basis point rate cut in July, with the likelihood of a reduction increasing to 58% for the September meeting. A weaker dollar also makes gold more attractive for buyers using other currencies, as it makes the metal cheaper. The dollar index, which measures the greenback against a basket of 6 major currencies, was down 0.3% at 99.6, not far from a 7-month low of 99.28 reached last week. Geopolitical tensions between the U.S. and China are also supporting gold. On Monday, the U.S. asked China to clarify why it was providing military assistance to Russia and warned Beijing that there would be consequences if it was found to have broken export control regulations. China responded by criticizing U.S. arms exports to Taiwan and accusing Washington of hypocrisy. The current environment of geopolitical uncertainty is supportive of gold, said Daniel Gali, a commodity strategist at TD Securities. There's a lot of uncertainty around the Russia-Ukraine conflict and the U.S.-China relationship. That's leading to safe haven buying of gold. Gold may also benefit from central banks' gold purchases. In May, the International Monetary Fund said that it had bought 400 tons of gold in the first quarter of this year, its first purchase since 2018. However, gold could face some resistance at $1,335 an ounce, the 200-day moving average, Mager said. If gold can break that, then the next resistance level is at $1,950, he added. Silver was up 0.8% at $20.25 an ounce. Platinum rose 1.1% to $961, and palladium gained 1.4% to $11.57.